Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to fix the most commonly occurring issues with Wi-Fi on this laptop. So first, click on these three icons on your status bar and try toggling your Wi-Fi by clicking this icon, and also toggle the airplane mode by turning it on and off. And if it doesn't help you, if you still cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, then what you can do alternatively is right click the Wi-Fi icon, select go to settings, then select network and internet right here, scroll down to advanced network settings, then go down to network reset, click on the network reset, and then select reset now right here. Click yes and wait until the reset is complete, and after that select the start menu, go to power options and select restart, and then wait until your device is restarted. After that, sign in back to your account, then try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network by clicking this arrow icon next to your Wi-Fi icon, then selecting the network that you want to connect to, click connect, enter a password to this network, then click next, and this way you will be connected to the network. Now check if the Wi-Fi started working, and if it didn't, you can right click the Wi-Fi icon, then select Diagnose Network Problems, and then go with the troubleshooting steps that you see in front of you. Try doing all of these things and see if it helps you. And in case it doesn't, you can go to the start menu, then start looking for Device Manager. Once you find it, open it, then select Network Adapters, expand this list, then find the Intel dual band wireless network adapter, click on it, go to driver. Here you can click update driver if you have a Wi-Fi connection on your device, at least some kind of. Then click search automatically for drivers and see if your laptop can find any, and in case it cannot, then you can if you have access to the internet on this computer somehow, then you can open the web browser, and if you don't worry, you can do this things on the other device and then transfer the driver to this laptop using your USB flash drive. So what you have to do is search for the ACER drivers, open the official acer.com support website. Here you'll have to enter your either serial number or SNID, and if you want to find it, you have to look at the back cover of your device. So let me show it to you. On the back cover of your laptop, you can find both serial number right here and the SNID right here. Now write them down or take a picture of them on your laptop and then get back to the website. So now, as I said before, enter either your serial number or SNID into this field. Press enter. Then scroll down, select load more, and here you'll be able to find wireless LAN and wireless LAN vPro drivers. Basically, wireless LAN without vPro is enough. vPro is the tool for IT management, so I'm not sure if you need it, but if you do, then download this version I'm gonna go with the default wireless LAN driver version. And now if you do it on a separate device, then transfer this file to your PC, to your ACER using USB flash drive, or if you're using your ACER, then open this file, then copy this file from here to downloads folder. Now open this file and click setup driver. Click run. Click run again, click yes, and wait until the driver is installed. And as you can see, the installation process is completed. So right now you can press any key to exit, and then you can close everything on your laptop. Then go to the start menu, power options, select restart, and wait until your device is restarted so that we know that the change is applied. And once your laptop is restarted, see if the problem was resolved. And in case nothing helped you, then first thing that you have to do is call the internet provider and ask if there is a problem on their side, because that's very probable in such case. And in case there is no problem on their side, then contact ACER customer support service, or just head to the nearest repair center and tell them about your issue, because there might be a hardware problem with your network card. And in such case, unfortunately, I cannot help you, though I hope that I helped you with this video. And if I did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.